Well, friends, this is Amishi Hunavar, and today I have come to speak about the northeastern region of India, Assam. Assam used to be called Asama in the Ahom language, and it means peerless. Assam is famous for its archaeological sites, for the tea plantations, for the Kaziranga National Park, and the river Brahmaputra. Lot of temples, out of which the famous temples are Kamakhya, which is on a hilltop, and Umananda temple, which is on the Peacock Island. Of late, as you must have seen in news, it is sad that 28.32 lakh people in 26 of the state's 33 districts have been affected by the grip of floods in Assam. It is really, really sad. And the Chief Minister, Mr. Sabarananda Sonwal, had visited these places and Darang and Kamrup districts. Well, the Assam Disaster Management Authority said that 93 people have lost their lives due to floods and 26 due to landslides. Also, I want to tell you that district and administrative authorities have set up 456 relief camps and 47,000 people have taken shelter. At least 47, it could be more. The people must have increased by now. 1.5 hectares of crops have been damaged and have been washed away across Assam. 123 animals died in and near Kaziranga National Park, and 150 were rescued by certain teams. Well, the river Brahmaputra, the river, the tributaries and the rivers Dhansiri, Jia, Bareilly, Kopili, and Beki are lifelines for the people of Assam. But right now, they really need to be tamed. The Chief Minister said that Assam is battling not only with COVID-19, with the floods, with the erosions, storms, landslides, and the Baghjan gas well fire. It is, everything has all come together. It's like as though Assam is bearing the brunt of everything together. The CM also visited the flood hit areas of the Darang district. So somehow the rivers need to be tamed or they need to be curved. But right now there is no solution and it is sad the way things are going on. Well, also I wanted to tell you that, I had a visit to Guwahati recently in December 2019 when I had gone for the beauty pageant. And I found, because I interacted with the Assamese people, I found that they were very warm, friendly and nice people. And they were very helpful too. I also happened to see the famous cultural dance that they do during their festival, which they celebrate with pomp, the Bihu dance. They do it in their traditional dresses and it looks beautiful. Well, the Kaziranga National Park is very famous for its one-horned, I think it's rhino, and the tigers and the dolphins. But right now, everything is in a bad state. Now, I also wanted to inform you that, the authorities have also said that it is in a very pitiable state and everything is washed away. The families are separated. Some of them are in relief camps. Floods have severely impacted the infrastructure and people's livelihood. People have lost their homes. They are not getting food to eat unless the relief camps are helping them. And it is in a very, very bad state. I appeal to all of you to kindly donate in whatever way you can, because it is a part of our India. Today it has happened to them, tomorrow it can happen to any of us. I have friends who are from Assam and I really have no words to say. This is Amishi Hunavar signing off. Goodbye. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.